Yeah. Damn should do that. You know, I was talking about you the other day too.
Hi, I'm Nathan. Today I'm going to be making apple fritter with Adam.
Hi, I'm Adam. Welcome to our first video.
I'm excited to make this video.
Thanks for the voters on Civil War Talk for voting on apple fritters.
Let's get started. Civil War apple fritters. Does it want us to get apple fritters from Civil War? Okay, I think it's just telling us these are about
the
the
voters
Civil
from
War.
Civil War Talk.
I guess so. Anyway, take 2 or 3 large russeting apples.
I don't know what this is. Oh,
Yeah.
pair them, then cut them in half.
So we obviously know what cut them in half is, but pair them thin. What?
Probably put them together.
Okay. An inch thick. Lay them on a pie dish. Pour brandy over them.
Why would we have brandy that's not for us?
Let them lie 2 hours.
Why would they?
Make a thick batter using 2 eggs.
How would we make the thick batter without everything?
Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. Have clean. Lord, is that what this is? I don't know.
What is
I think it's milk. Make it quite hot. Fry 2 at
Fry
a time.
what? 2 at a time.
And nice light brown. Put them on the back of the. What does that say? Sieve? I guess so. On paper. Sift. That's a
Pounded sugar.
sift pounded sugar.
It says punched sugar.
I don't really know. Let's keep going. Over then glaze. Then with a shovel. What? What are we gonna go like? With a
No, I
shovel?
don't know what that
Okay,
is.
let's just keep going.
Dish on a napkin. Okay, so we are back, and Mom helped us cheat a little bit on getting the ingredients.
Yeah, so we've got the ingredients now, and
The first ingredient is 1.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. 2 eggs beaten. And then tablespoon of vegetable oil.
So vegetable oil. Yes. Let's move these all out. Can I go put these in the sink now? So here we go. Milk. Let's keep.
Eating
Eating one. Alright.
Out of the way, yep. Now you want to start coring your apples. Now you get that set. It's a little tricky. Do it on here. It's better on here.
Alright, let's put in our first apple.
So like that.
Yep. You want to just shove it on pretty hard. And then you just start cranking.
You want to do the next one?
Yeah. Go the other way.
That's it.
I guess so. It didn't say come in there. I think it was
Nom nom.
So put some in here and some in there.
Apples.
I just
No, oranges.
Mom.
No, you don't overstart. You're gonna make gluten. That'll make it tough.
So we want to be able to eat these, right?
That looks good.
Okay, Adam, you want to pour some brandy over top of the one in the Red Bull?
If your kids don't drink
Don't
brandy,
drink brandy.
if your kids don't drink
Just a
brandy,
little bit. Doesn't need to be a lot.
it's not good.
It's good.
A little more, a little more. That's good. You can stir them up.
Alright, I am going to be demonstrating what we're going to be doing, but I'm also going to be talking about how
I'm not
we're
gonna be
do it.
demonstrating.
Yeah. But basically what we're doing is we're taking the apple slices that we made before, dipping them in the batter we also made, and then putting them in, frying them in the oil, and then putting them in the paper towel. Now, while doing this, it's going to take a little while because,
It take 3 minutes per side.
yes. Okay, you can start.
Once they're coated, you can take them out. One at a time. Now you gotta put it in the oil. You gotta gently drop it in. And that's okay. All right.
Yeah.
What was that?
It's good.
There we go.
Get another one, quick.
It's good, go. Don't put your fork in the oil.
I don't like this part.
So we finished the apple fritters and we're going to put some powdered sugar on them to give them more taste.
A little bit of a, you know what I mean.
Lots of powdered sugar. Lots. Pretend it's a funnel cake.
It looks like a funnel cake.
Yeah.
Put it together.
We're gonna do a taste test.
Cheers.
This is gonna make a mess, Chase.
Yeah, I think it will.
Good. Don't forget to subscribe and join Simple War Talk.
Don't forget to leave a like and we're out.
See ya!
Alright, we are finishing up our brandy-soaked apple fritters. We did not let the kids try them. And it does, the powdered sugar just really does kind
You gotta hold it at an angle so that, yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
ready?
Yeah. I'm getting lots of powdered sugar.
The brandy makes no difference.
Good.
And let each one perform some part to fill with joy the warrior's heart. We'll all feel gay when Johnny comes marching home. And we'll all feel gay when Johnny comes marching home.